Ka Meghalaya kala Kyntait ya ke Jingkam Myntri Rangbah ka Assam Himanta Biswa Sarma ba ka Jingpom luom ha Meghalaya kadai na kadau ka bayalam sha ka Jingshlei Hagawahati Myntri ka so ka Jylla uba lak kermen shla ula kentu ya ka Assam ban marmot ya kinala pentuj hagajaka ban penmi ya ki jingkeno ki baklem nongrem ula ong ba ompat don kanu ka jing ujor ka balayo pediang na ka Assam bat banjur ba ka ka batuj najrong luom ka long kumbajulong namar ka jing juslap ha Meghalaya.
Most of the time, okay, let's say this is naturally it happened. We are on a higher level, they are on a lower level. So naturally the water will go from Meghalaya to them. Sometimes if they are in higher level, it comes to us also. But that doesn't mean we have to blame. It is naturally it happened like this. It's God created this. It's not that we put ourselves on top and they themselves they dig and they stay on the lower. That we cannot blame just for the dead flood and now they have to blame us. The only thing is that what is the solution? They have to find out. The solution is that make a proper drainage so that they'll avoid all those things.